In this exercise, we'll add 6 2/5 plus 7 4/5 and write a mixed numeral for the answer. To add mixed numerals, we can add the fractional parts and then add the whole number parts. Adding 2/5 plus 4/5, we notice we have a common denominator, so we can add the numerators 2 plus 4, which gives us 6/5. Adding the whole number parts, we have 6 plus 7, which gives us 13. However, our answer is not in the correct form because the numerator, 6, is greater than the denominator, 5. So we need to write 6/5 also as a mixed numeral and then add that to 13. 13 and 6/5 is the same as 13 plus 6/5. 6/5 we can write as 1 and 1/5. Now, combining 13 plus 1, we have 14 and 1/5. And this is the mixed numeral form for the answer.